I picked the GregtangMath.com website. It's a website that I use in my math centers. As you can see, not everything is free on here, but it does have a lot of free stuff. It has math games, and these are the games that my kids use during center time. Something else that it has, though, is up here at the top. You can go to resources, and it has just different math resources that you can download and use in your classroom. So this is addition makes tens, and then this is just could be an extra resource you use, or sometimes we just use these little resources in our center. We'll put them in a plastic sleeve so we don't have to make a lot of copies, and let the students work on them. If you've never heard of GregtangMath or GregtangMath, it's a really good resource for math. We use quite a few of his products. If your student or if your school actually subscribes to the website, then every Tuesday you get a new set of math games for the kids to play with or to use, and those are some things that I put in my center. So this is just a great resource for students. The ISTE standard I picked was ISTE S.6.8. I think this would be great. This is great for students, but it's also great for teachers, because if you also wanted to buy some of his materials, they're just right here that you can buy them. But really what we use it for at my school are just the free resources and the games that it provides. So this is just one.